Hey guys, this is going to be slightly different sort of video. Yesterday actually took some profits on BItmex and I recorded it, but I didn't have time to get my mic, so I'm going to be voicing over this video. It doesn't have sound, but you know, it's what's on the screen that counts. Okay, I was in an Ethereum short yesterday. I was just showing a live trade. It's not live anymore, but this is what it was. 102.10. Saw a German pinpricks heading downward, and I think the Oracle called it as well. My liquidation price here was 112. 10x leverage, nice and safe. It got to be a couple of huge rogue spikes for me to be liquidated. And so, already up 9%. I was adjusting the chart here. I was showing, when I hovered over it, it was 7%. I was just showing you all that. And so that's how I do it. I was here. I wish I would have uploaded this yesterday. Then I would remember exactly what I was doing. But as it stands, here it is. I was showing the German pinpricks in a downward formation. And this is an example of a good downward motion. Do you see these three in succession? This is an example of a good downward move. I finally found one. About freaking time. And so, point that out. I'm all over the top and extra because I don't have sound, and I wanted to make sure that I knew what I was talking about so I can make this video you're seeing today. Alright. Yeah, okay. Yes, it's going down. We can all see that. 8% profit at 102.10. Alright. I think I was indicating that it's about to drop 100. Oh, below 100. Okay. And, okay, 10% profit, 9%. I decided to close it at market at a nice, no, I think it closes at 12% profit. Excellent. So, I just wanted to show that I do take profits as well. And so, these are live BItmex trades. Alright. I paused it to drop to 101. Did I catch the under 100? I don't think I did. And so that was my profit. This number here, that was how much I had made with this trade yesterday. It says today, but it was actually yesterday. I didn't. This video that I'm showing you on screen was recorded yesterday. So I have 0.0051, which is like $16, but I wanted to actually put it inside a calculator. So I'll go over to CoinMarketCap's own cryptocurrency converter, put in that number, $19. No, $19, cool. Almost got $20. Look, I've gone from $13 to $19 doing these small trades. I'm not taking huge 100% profits, but it's still good. I'm still making some money. Back over to BItmex. I could see the pinpricks moving upward in an upward motion. And I guess I projected it to go up. I don't know if it did or it didn't. 0.0051, show my profit again. I was setting up to jump back in the market and get some more contracts and then short again. But I needed to see what this did. But the candles I don't think were working with me, so I hesitated. I was showing how the size of the shorts were much bigger than the longs, so it's more likely to go downward. So I don't know how much that means, but like there's more volatility, there's more power on the shorts right now because the numbers are just much bigger. It's just a law of numbers right now. The longs are weak. They're trying to gain strength. I guess I went over to the 6 hour. This is the time of the day. This one shows you what's happening. It was a strong downward move yesterday. Look, I'm just Monday morning quarterbacking this, or Thursday afternoon quarterbacking in this case. I was showing a strong downward movement back to the 1 minute. So I was confident that it would go back down, but not right now. Weak candle to the upside. Did I put in another trade? I don't think I did. So I was just answering a question here. So actually I was just responding to someone. 10x is safe, 5x is even safer. But I'm like, yeah, we want to make money. If you want to be the safest, you go with 2x leverage, but you barely make any money. 10x is a nice sweet spot. That's just my opinions. It's just what I think. You have three Kirby cans to roll, and then I just got tired of recording. And so that was BItmex, and now let's do a little bit of news. The previously inactive whales are moving large amounts of BTC. That's never good. Remember that Mt. Gox trade? Well, Mt. Gox is finally paying off the people that they wronged, that they stole from. So they slide it, or whatever their excuse is. They're paying off the people, and they're probably going to dump it on the exchange to get something, because they're all scared and all they is going to go to zero. So they're probably going to dump on the exchange. So this downward motion is not over. Bitcoin's going to drop, so therefore Ethereum's going to drop. So armchair sleuths. I like how they just sold them. Armchair sleuths. We have pointed out that large amounts of cryptocurrency for long dormant addresses have been on the move. Look, and that's not good. This isn't related to Mt. Gox. That's a different thing. But people who track wallets know this stuff. None of this is good. Mt. Gox move. This move. I wonder if this is Satoshi Nakamoto. Dang, 720 million worth of BTC. 1.5 billion moved from dormant BTC wallets. I wonder who that could be. Do you think it's Wall Street moving their money? Nah, their money's in the futures. Actually, they might be, but if it is, they're gonna dump. They're gonna dump all of it and take down the price. Boom, armchair sleuths. They have a whale alert bot. What is it? I'm just curious. What the heck is a whale alert bot? Oh god, just a whole Twitter account dedicated to tracking large transactions. It's got a field day in the past day. It's like, oh my god, so much moved. BT, to be fair, this is a lot. I wonder how far back they go. Oh, they do this for a living. They have over how many posts? Okay, I don't Twitter. I don't use Twitter. Who cares? Anyway, large sums of ETH, XRP, BCH, all the stable coins. Stable coins. You mean like Bitcoin was a stable coin at $6,000 for a few months? Yeah, that's stable coin. Oh, you're talking about Tether, which has also moved downward because people are leaving crypto. A transaction worth 13 million was done for less than a penny. Look, that's the beauty of crypto. You can move large amounts of money for very, very small fractions. BCH 117. I think that's actually lower. Yep, it's 113. Oh, and by the way, this is Coinbase. This is an exchange that used to front run the price of Ethereum, but now they're so close. I don't think it works that way anymore. I did a consultation with Oracle CryptoFace several months ago, and he told me, but I don't really think it matters anymore. Hey, he said it himself on another video, so don't come yelling at me. This is just what I use. You know what? Maybe it'll get its power back someday and be a whole $10 away from the price. But if the price doesn't really move $10, then it'll probably be pennies away. Hey, it might still work. On BitMEX, it might be $96.36, and this shows that it's going to happen in 7 minutes. It might drop down to 96.35 cents. Who knows? I haven't traced it. Oh, Ethereum Classic. I used to think that you were going to stay steady at $10. How wrong I was. So the price of BCH, it's plummeted from 600 to 117 in like less than a month. When was the fork? Like it was earlier last month on the 15th. It's only been like half a month, and it's dropped so far. If it drops below the price of Ethereum, that thing is done. It might already be done, but if it somehow could go lower the price of Ethereum, the BCH is done. Well, that's what happens when people don't agree with somebody, and then they fork off, and then they can't agree with each other. That whatever coin that the BCH fork split from, it has no chance of surviving. No chance. Anyone who held hoping to get those tokens after a BCH fork, they're gonna get screwed. It's gonna be worth nothing at any point. whale watching, blah blah. I don't care about that. Oh, yeah, I showed you this yesterday. G20 leaders declare commitment to regulate crypto assets. Huh, there was another article that I saw earlier. Oh, this is just Forbes pretending to be smart about crypto, just being wrong all the time. Okay, here it is. Pro crypto SEC commissioner. Don't wait on Bitcoin ETF. Could take days or years. Oh, so somewhere in between days and years. Well, that narrows it down, doesn't it? The commissioner added that a Bitcoin ETF could be approved tomorrow or in 10 years' time. There is not a time frame the commission can provide on it. Well, that helps us, doesn't it? If this thing takes 10 years, this thing is over. Wall Street wants in, but there's no regulation, then they're not going to touch this thing. But then it really will be over. But hey, could maybe be another bull run again. But this is important. But she emphasized the institutionalization of crypto will inevitably occur as the infrastructure side of the asset class strengthens over time. Yeah, they're most definitely gonna regulate it. They want to regulate it. So they're not gonna let it completely die. They're gonna let it get close and close and close. Them and their colluders, Wall Street, are gonna let it get close. Don't know how close. Maybe Bitcoin to like 2,700, and then who knows what happened? Will it just shoot up unregulated again? Who knows? Or will they have regulation to say, hey, you can only buy crypto if you're an accredited investor. Make everybody sell, lower the price some more, and then those hedge fund managers and those accredited investors, like after everyone's gone, if they're forced to leave, then they're gonna buy it all up. They're gonna take it all. They're gonna buy it all up. Price will shoot up, and we'll be left with absolutely nothing. Who knows what's gonna happen? Hope that it's the former, where like the SEC does regulate it, they get ETFs, and then it shoots up on its own before we're prohibited from buying it. And in AceWin news, Blackjack is here today. You can play Blackjack. Where is it? Yeah, you can deposit BTC to internal wallet here. Check on my tokens. Let's see if they got up a price or amount. 10.54. That's definitely more than it was yesterday. It's gonna be burnt. Look, I'm not planning on playing blackjack, so there's no need for me to mess with that. But it's here. So go ahead and play blackjack. Okay, it's time to speak on CryptoOp. Let's see if I can log in. Because it says it's opening tomorrow. The exchange is opening tomorrow. I didn't change a thing. This is my username. I'm not a robot. Let's see what happens. Let's log in. It's authenticated. What the hell is this? And then it stops authenticating. What is that? I can't even read the X. It's not even giving me a reason why I can't log in. And so I don't like that. Could they still open tomorrow? Maybe, but it's unlikely. Cut your losses. This freaking sucks though. I was going to make a lot of money off of this. Because they gave me a whole bunch of tokens, but it is what it is, guys. If it opens tomorrow, I would most definitely let you know. But for now, unless it opens up tomorrow, there's no point me making any more videos about it. Or unless they say something that's like on like Telegram or Discord or something that's like, hey, we're having X problems. We're opening up this time, and like they communicate. Otherwise, this is the last I'll speak on CryptoOp. Hey, if it does open tomorrow, I don't think I'll have time to do a live stream tomorrow, but I might make a video on it. But it is what it is. I always said I'd be honest with you, and here it is. Even if I don't like it. It's a bunch of sour... What's the phrase? A bunch of sour medicine? That doesn't make sense. Oh, it's a bitter pill to swallow, bitter medicine, whatever it is. I was hoping for a Regal coin, and I don't have a whole lot of tokens in Ace Wins, so it'll have to go up much higher for me to get those real big gains. I'm not in a position where I can buy anymore, but I like sponsorships because it allows me to get some tokens. I was about to log off, and then I just typed in Ethereum into Google, and I saw this, and I had to bring it to you. Ethereum's price briefly collapsed from $100 to $13 on Coinbase Pro. What a wild cryptocurrency anomaly. Hey, yo, Oracle. I think you might be seeing the future right now. If you get this price in your head, oh god, it's over for Ethereum. Woo! Oh my god. For a brief moment, the price of Ethereum on Coinbase Pro dropped to 100 to me to 13. Bro, if I'd been in front of the computer and had seen that, I would have emptied out my wallet to buy it. I would have emptied out my account to buy some, and I would have sold it under it or whatever. Oh, I don't even know if you could have bought that though, but if you could, woo, 6 a.m. UTC, whatever that is. Average rate 97. This stuff is so manipulated. So manipulated. It only took moments. Bruh. Buy here. You have to be AI. And I'm pretty sure that's who bought the AI. So this isn't the first flash crash of Ethereum. Vitalik, your whole thing is collapsing. Oh man. Oh, no representatives were available to comment on Coinbase. If I see that, if you see some like flash crash in your position to buy and you're fast enough, then you better get it. I guess. Not a financial advisor. Anyway, guys, I'm done. Have a good day. If you want to get an Ace Wins, link is below. Have a good day, everyone. Like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. Bye.